Hey friends, I'm finally back with a new tutorial, and today we are going to be doing an Aphogee Two-Step Protein Treatment. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is section my hair in half. You know, that's typically how I do my treatment. So for anyone that's not familiar with Aphogee's Two-Step Protein Treatment, it is activated with proteins and magnesium, which helps diffuse in the hair with the application of heat. So the claims of this product, per the brand, is that the hair's breakage should be drastically reduced within 4 to 6 weeks. It's also good for someone that just wants to extend the elasticity in their hair, like myself. I had my hair in a few braided styles, so I just wanted to treat it, show it some love. So as you can see, I put the product inside of a spray bottle, and the reason that I do that is because it is a liquid based product and it just helps with the actual application to avoid any mess. The second thing that it recommends you to do is to scrunch the product through the hair. It almost creates like a lather on the hair, but you do not want to comb it through the hair. After you have it evenly applied on the hair, you want to sit under a medium heat dryer and allow the airflow to penetrate the product. What is going to happen is this product is going to become rock solid very hard. At this point, you do not want to manipulate the hair at all. And these are my results after rinsing out step 1 of the treatment. Now I'm going to go in with step 2, which is the balancing moisturizer, and I'm going to apply that all over my hair, on the hair and the scalp, leave it for 2 minutes, and after that we'll end up rinsing it thoroughly. I'm very generous with this product, and let me tell you, this is actually one of my favorite conditioners. Even if I don't do the protein treatment first, it just makes my curls pop. It hydrates my hair. It's very gentle on my hair, and I feel like it's, you know, doing a little bit of treating even if I just am using a regular conditioner. And these are my results after I rinse out the conditioner. My curls are nice and springy. They are hydrated. My hair feels really soft and well. And let's take a quick look at my hair before we did the treatment. Look at that. And now look at it. See how much shrinkage I have? That just lets me know that the product has absorbed to my hair. It's a great product. It's affordable. You can get it at your local beauty supply store. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And God willing, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.